Welcome back. Today we are diving into the heart of creativity, unraveling the captivating story behind the Palestinian flag. The concept behind Palestine flag. The flag of Palestine is a tricolor of three equal horizontal strips, black, white, and green from top to bottom, overlaid by a red triangle issuing from the host. This flag is derived from the pan-Arab colors and is used to represent the state of Palestine and the Palestinian people. The flag has been used in Palestine since at least the late 1930s and was officially adopted as the flag of Palestinian people by the Palestine Liberation Organization in 1964. The black strip represents the Abbasid Caliphate, which ruled over Palestine in the 8th century. The white strip represents the Umayyad Caliphate, which ruled over Palestine in the 7th century. The green strip represents the Fatimid Caliphate, which ruled over Palestine in the 10th century. Whereas the red triangle represents the Hashemite dynasty, which ruled over Mecca and Medina in the 20th century. Who designed the flag of Palestine? The modern-day flag of Palestine was designed by Sharif Hussein as a symbol of Arab revolt in June 1916. The Palestinian people adopted the flag to represent the Arab national movement in 1917, which aimed to establish a united Arab state encompassing Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Palestine. Palestine flag and watermelon. The watermelon has become a symbol of Palestinian solidarity in recent years, and it is often used in the artworks and representation of the Palestinian flag. The use of watermelon as the Palestinian symbol is not new and dates back to the Sixth Day of War in 1967, when Israel seized the control of the West Bank and Gaza and annexed East Jerusalem. At that time, the Israeli government made public displays of the Palestinian flag a criminal offense in Gaza and West Bank. To circumvent the ban, Palestinians began using the watermelon because when cut open, the fruit bears the national colors of the Palestinian flag: red, black, white, and green. It's not just colors on fabric, it's a canvas that narrates a rich tapestry of struggle and resilience. Art has the power to unite, and the Palestine flag exemplifies this. Let's give credit where it's due. All the information presented today is backed by the thorough research from the reputable sources. Check the video description for the complete list of sources from where we have taken all this information for today's video. As we wrap up this colorful exploration, remember that art transcends borders, just like the Palestine flag. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the beauty of creativity. Thank you so much. Until the next time, keep creating, keep inspiring. This is your host signing off.